It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me.
Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for today's video as we are getting it all done. I have so much to do. I am hoping to tackle the whole house, and so stay tuned for lots and lots of cleaning motivation.
On the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed.
So we are starting off in the main living area here. I had to take off the blanket that we have on our couch as it was just really dirty and gross from our dog who lays on here. So wanted to go ahead and get that in the laundry, and while I was at it, I decided to go ahead and vacuum back here. I do not normally start off cleaning in my living room. I always start off either in the master bedroom or in the kitchen. Let me know where you usually start your cleaning. Also, make sure you stay tuned throughout the video as I'm sharing a few cleaning hacks today.
Yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been.
So before we get any further into the video, I am so excited because if you are needing some extra motivation, I would love if you went over to my friend Alexis Green's channel. She is a military wife, mom of 2 little kids. She has a little boy and a little girl, and she does a lot more vlogging style over on her channel. She shares a lot of motherhood. She shares recipes. She also does share cleaning motivation as well as get it all done. Her channel is honestly just incredible, and I love watching her. She shares the funniest things over on Instagram. We have connected over there, and I am just so grateful for her friendship. She not only is amazing at her job, but she also is just an amazing friend, an amazing support person, and is just very, very genuine. So I love if you went and checked out her channel. I will have all of her information linked down below. So now I wanted to share this little hack with you. When you are cleaning your lamps, you can actually pull out a lint roller, because if you're like me and you have a dog hair just kind of seems to get everywhere. But if you pull out a lint roller, as you saw there was that before and after, it comes off seamlessly, and this trick works so good. You can also use it on curtains, blinds, and stuff like that as well. But I just really wanted to share that hack with you.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no.
As you can see, I am just moving through the living room using my daily wood cleaner by Method in the almond scent. I love this stuff. If you have not used it, I highly recommend it. But as you can see, there was like paint all over the girls' table. It's washable. Obviously, that's why it is coming off very seamlessly as well. But I just wanted to share that cleaner that I'm using with you guys. So I wanted to go ahead and introduce myself in case you are new here or if you are coming over from Alexis's channel. So welcome, my name is Brianne, and here on my channel I share lots of cleaning and homemaking motivation. I am known for my uplifting and motivational lifestyle content. I share grocery hauls, recipes, again, lots of lifestyle content with a main focus on cleaning and homemaking motivation. My number one goal is to get you guys up and motivated to tackle your own mess around your house, as I know that sometimes it can be overwhelming, it can be stressful, and it can just seem like we have a never-ending to-do list. And so I hope that my videos can get you up and motivated and encouraged to, again, just tackle your own mess around your house. And I hope that this space can be a positive community for you to join And as always, I promise to keep it really real here on my channel. I share a lot of real life moments. I am also a mom to 2 little girls and a wife, and I actually live in Canada. So if that is the kind of content that you enjoy, I would love if you hit that red subscribe button. You can also find me over on Instagram. I find it's a little bit more intimate as I can have one-to-one conversations with you guys in my DMs, so don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. I would also love if you left me a fun fact about yourself down below in the comments and let me know where you're from.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no.
Alright, so we've moved into the kitchen. I baked these cookies this morning and I will have the recipe over on my blog. I will have it linked in my description box. So now it is time to just tidy up and get it all done in the kitchen here.
You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning you. See right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop. I'm like a spinning top. Not used to do this, it ain't my style. It ain't my style. You see right through me, I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning you. See right through me, do that to me. So let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, I'm like a spinning top.
So make sure that you guys stick around just a little bit longer. I do have another epic cleaning hack that I will be sharing a little bit later in the video. But if you're getting cleaning motivation out of today's video, make sure that you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a small creator, and hit that red subscribe button as well. I would love for you to join our growing YouTube family.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Okay, y'all know I love Dawn Power Wash, but this stuff is pretty freaking amazing. It smells really good. I was a little concerned with the pear scent, as I did not like the citrus scent that they had launched. The fresh one is, or the clean scent, clean fresh, whatever it is, whatever you want to call it. That one definitely smells the best in my opinion, but this one is actually not bad. So that's good, and it is free and clear of dyes and all the other things. So make sure that you go ahead and check it out. And if you haven't seen my video where I share 10 ways to use Dawn Power Wash, check it out because it's kind of epic.
It's the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a light
So I'm going ahead and just using the Dawn Power Wash all over my kitchen cabinets. I love using this product. I would say like every couple of months on my cabinets. I normally just use either the Go Clean Co method or just soap and water, but I wanted to really give it a good clean. Make sure that you test an area on your cabinets first if you do try this, so that you don't ruin the finish. When I use the Dawn Power Wash on my cabinets, it is obviously fine. I have done it numerous times, but I did just want to put that disclaimer there to make sure that you do test a small area first so that you don't ruin it.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, oh, but I can't get.
So here on my kitchen floor, I am going ahead and mopping it using the Go Clean Co method. This is just 1 teaspoon of Tide powder mixed with really hot water. You can also add bleach to it, but I did not.
You are not with me. Hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't want to go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't want to go back. I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back.
So here is some lovely editing magic for you. We had this laundry to do, and actually my husband did it, bless his soul. He folded all of that laundry for me and kind of got it going while I was filming, but I wanted to share these sheets with you guys. They are so freaking soft, like incredible. I will try and find them or something similar and link them below, but my husband actually cleaned them for me earlier on in the day. So I'm just going ahead and putting some fresh sheets and bedding on our bed.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong, cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go by to make things right. I know you see me too, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down. I'm 99.5 of all the love that we got. I'm 99.5 of all the love that inside you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. Oh, I'm trying to hold on. Oh, gotta keep on keeping on, 'cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go by to make things right.
So another hack I wanted to share with you is when you're using Windex on your windows and mirrors, to go ahead and wipe it off instead of using a cloth or whatever, use a coffee filter. This is like a game changer and it will totally leave your mirrors and your windows totally streak free, and I absolutely love it. But I also wanted to share this real life moment here. This was obviously a little bit later in the day after I had cleaned the main living area, and boom, trashed again from my kids. So there's some real life for you. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave me your favorite emoji down below if you're still watching. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're coming over from Alexis's channel, I hope that you consider subscribing. And if you haven't already, I would love if you went and checked out my friend Alexis. Her channel and all of her information will be linked in the description box. Thanks again for being here today, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Just a little bit of you and I go run to make things right. I know you say